Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace the cabin air filter in a Kia Sorento 2016. Turn off the car, open the glove box, and remove all contents before proceeding. Unclip the glove box stops, lower the box, and expose the filter housing cover. Take note of airflow arrow direction, remove the old filter, clean the housing, and install the new filter with the arrow pointing inward toward the. Prepare your tools and workspace before you begin to keep the job quick and tidy. Have a replacement filter ready, a Phillips screwdriver, and a small flashlight for visibility. Work with the car switched off and the glove box emptied to avoid dropping items. Wearing gloves keeps dirt off the new filter and protects your hands from grime. Keep a shop towel handy to wipe the housing while the old filter is out. Start by unclipping the glove box stops so the box lowers fully and gives room to work. Press the housing cover tabs firmly and pull the old filter straight out to avoid scattering debris. Note the airflow arrow on the filter frame and insert the new filter with that arrow pointing toward the cabin interior. Snap the housing cover back, lift the glove box stops, return any contents, and confirm proper closure before finishing the job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.